So, saw this really, really funny chick. Asked for her number. She said she was just she already has a boyfriend, and she said she was a lesbian. It seems fucking impossible now to get a girlfriend. It's just I'm probably just too good for these bitches. I'm probably just too good for everybody. I got the fucking looks. I got the fucking personality. I am a good person. I got too good of a looks, too good of a personality, and yet these bitches can't even fucking handle me. And you know what? I'm fucking done with women. I've tried 2D bitches. I've tried fucking furries, dude. I've tried older women. No, and I even tried 3D bitches. And you know what? None of them have worked. None of them were able to fucking satisfy me. And that leaves me with no other choice. Men.